Wait, let's go back. I mean, really far back. Heyo everyone, unless you've been living under a rock, then you may know that I haven't uploaded a video for like a really long time. Today that changes. Also, stick around till the end of the video for a cookie. Alright, like I said, let's go way back. Oh god, it's too far back. No, go forward again. It's not as abhorrent as before, I guess. This is the first time I used Unity. The first game I started working on in Unity is a game called Bean vs. Bean. I haven't been getting too much work done on it lately because of other projects, but I plan on getting the game's ball rolling again soon. Let's see what happened in December. Oh yeah, my AAA super cool destruction game that lasted for 2 hours, and my rollerball game I made with no tutorials. I remember actually being proud of this. But why? Oh yeah, the first time I tried importing the map for my game Harry's Hamburgers into Unity. Harry's is a FNAF-inspired game where you play as an investigator trying to solve the case of a dangerous and mysterious animatronic behavior at a local entertainment venue. How the story goes is up to you. I plan on releasing the game in mid-2022 summer. Before I move on, this is the month I also started working on a project called Rooftop Warriors. A 2D platformer where you and your ninja buddies hop from rooftop to rooftop in a neon city of some sort, trying to stop some enemies and save the city. I know it's super generic, but right now the game's not my main focus. And here's some gameplay for Harry's from March to April. Alright, time to move on. The one time I attempted making a VR game in Unity, but maybe not the last. This is a game I called Destroyed GoldenTrashCan's Room, where you literally destroy my room. Why did I think this was a good idea? I spent a few hours measuring some things and modeling them, and then I put it in Unity, learned how to do a quick VR setup, and within a week, I had my own VR game. Not very entertaining for prolonged periods of time, but it was definitely fun to make a VR game, and especially when I got it to work for the first time, as shown in this clip. Boop. Let's try it. Oh my god. Uh-oh. And for the first few days of May was a time span of which I rushed a quick version of Harry's out for some stupid event thing. And it was absolutely horrible. Here's some quick gameplay. Oh god, the pinnacle of my pain and suffering shown over the course of 48 hours. Otherwise known as a game jam. A game jam is a game-making marathon that usually takes place over the course of 1 to 10 days. The game jam I partook in was the GMTK 2021 jam, with nearly 20,000 participants. I tried making a whole-ass story mode 3D open world game in 48 hours. Note to self and to all of you, Don't do that unless you want to be sleep deprived for 4 days after the jam. For the time I had to work on this game jam game, I'm pretty proud of it. This is a game called Brain Fried. It's a fast-paced restaurant simulator where you have to serve the customers what they want before they get angry and cause chaos. Hence the theme of Bracky's Game Jam 2021.2, Let There Be Chaos. If everything gets too chaotic, you'll end up with the fried brain. I probably worked a little bit too hard on the modularity of the systems for things like ingredients, food, and NPCs, but it was probably worth it to be better safe than sorry. Let's jump forward again. Before we head on to some of my more recent work, I wanted to show you guys some of my older projects. Oh boy, here we go. People game. A thing. Game launcher. Another thing. And yet another thing. From September 12th to the 30th, I really started working on Harry's a lot, especially with the more technical side of stuff, like binary serialization and save files, and getting the main menu functionality in. And from the 1st to 25th of October, I've been working on this video along with my games. Lately, personal projects have been a bit slow because of school, pre-calculus, but I've been trying to be super productive with game development whilst keeping my grades high. Currently, half of my grades are over 100. I think I'm doing a good job. And in the past week, I've been working on Bean vs. Bean quite a bit. I got a basic main menu up and going, and you're able to invite each other with the Steam Friends overlay. There's not a whole lot you can do right now, but it's something to start off with. That's about most of what I've worked on in the past year. And hey, if you watched all the way through, thank you. It helps out a lot by getting me closer to affiliate on YouTube, and it makes it more likely for the video to get recommended to other people. And if you want to support me even further, there are links to my Discord server, Patreon, and GameJolt in the description. And speaking of Patreon, thank you to this person for becoming my first patron. I couldn't find their name on Patreon, so I just used their Discord name. And as I promised, here's your cookie. Have a good day everyone, see you in the next video, and take care.